If I die tonight, will everything be alright? It was time for me to go in life, I fought the good fight. I just want y'all to know I'm still holding on tight, and I'll never let y'all go even though I'm out of sight. Just picture me rolling in the skies, doing what I love, doing best, time flies by. Don't cry, my mind's finally at rest, and my soul's never felt more alive. Now dry your eyes, relax, relieve stress. I wasn't rich, cause I was blessed to be born with less, making something out of nothing, turning nothing into something. I went out and did something special for the world, no regrets. Life is haste, time is short, and I ain't got none to waste. On this earth we call place, it's temporary, and death is only the beginning. After that, it's eternal breath of life, shining like bright gold. And if I die tonight, will everything be alright? It was time for me to go in life, I fought the good fight. I just want y'all to know I'm still holding on tight, and I'll never let y'all go even though I'm out of sight. And if you dream about me tonight, trust that everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause it was time for me to go in life, I fought the good fight. I just want y'all to know I'm still holding on tight, and I'll never let y'all go even though I'm out of sight. Remember, I'm still here in your heart and in the song. Hear me out, no doubt, I know it hurts, but you gotta stay strong when the feeling is deep. At night, sometimes it's like I can't sleep. Count sheep and smoke the sweet, sip, drink, and pour out a little. It goes down in history. Remember me and who I am, the one and only, and I'll see you in the next lifetime.